Content marketing, cold email, Facebook ads, TikTok, everyone talking about those channels right now. But most B2B SaaS founders are ignoring one of the most productable and affordable ways to get customers in 2026, LinkedIn outbound DMs. I'm Browser. I built AI-powered outbound systems for 140 plus B2B companies. We booked over 5,000 plus meetings, and here's the truth, LinkedIn outbound is still one of the best channels for getting customers if you do it right. In this video, I am going to show you exact LinkedIn outbound strategy. We used to book 20 to 30 meetings per month for our clients without getting your account banned, without spamming people's DMs. By the end of, you will have full playbook, targeting, messaging, automation. Let's go. Alright, before we diving into the how, let me explain why LinkedIn outbound is so powerful for B2B SaaS. Think about it. LinkedIn is where decision makers hang out. CEOs, VPs of sales, head of marketing, they all on LinkedIn every single day. There are millions of business owners just scrolling around of the platform. And if you are selling B2B SaaS, your ideal customer are already there. Compare that to cold email. Inbox are full, deliverability is nightmare. Or Facebook ads, you're targeting people who are scrolling after the work to run their brand off. That doesn't want to think about B2B software. But LinkedIn, people are on LinkedIn to do business. They're thinking about their problem, they're open to solution, and has the kicker, and very few people know how to do LinkedIn outbound properly. But most either spam connection requests with generic pages, send hi, let's connect messages that go now here, or just post content and hope someone books a meeting. But if you are combined targeting outreach with very fast messaging and automation, you can book 20 to 30 meetings per month. And that's what I'm going to show. Alright, let's talk about tools. You need the full stock, cost 200 month each. That's it. Tool 1, LinkedIn Sales Navigator. I personally use Apollo, but still LinkedIn Sales Navigator is better. And this is how you can find your ideal customers. Sales Navigator lets you filter LinkedIn entire database by job title, company size, industry, geography, seniority, text talk using keyword. You can get extremely specified with your targeting. For example, BP of sales at B2B SaaS companies, 50 to 500 employees, US based using Salesforce. You don't do this on Facebook or Google, but on LinkedIn, easy. Second tool should be HighReach, 79 month each. This is an automation tool. HighReach lets you send connection, DMs, email. It also have features like view profile, a lot of other features as well. You can set up just one campaign. So for example, in HighReach, I just log in with the HighReach, and you can click on campaigns and create new campaigns, select the list. So first you can upload the list there and then select the senders. And then in the sequence, you have a lot of options like send connection. If already your connection, you can directly just send, you can just directly filter out. If it's not your already connection, then send connections. If it's open profile, means it's have free email option, so you can send free email, direct message without connection basically. If you have premium LinkedIn account, and there's a bunch of other options as well, like post, follow, view, and you can create whole your workflow around that. And there's also options to add in the email sequence, so you can multi outreach like plus link plus email to the prospect. And this is just an example flow how it looks like. For example, start with like post, view, follow, and then send connection request, and add into email campaign to send email, and then send LinkedIn connection after one day, and then one another LinkedIn message, and the LinkedIn message. And even if it doesn't accept, still uh, send to email campaign. Plus, if it doesn't accept, then just simply email. So this is how the campaign structure. Alright, step one, you need to build list and sales navigator or Apollo. Here's how to it. First, get crystal clear on your ICP, who you are selling to, what they do, what company size, what geography. For example, let's say you're selling an outbound automation. Your ICP might be the title VP of sales, head of revenue, SDR manager, 50 to 100 employees, industry B2B SaaS, geography, just that. Now you can go on Sales Navigator, click on lead search, start filtering, geography, job titles, hit search. You'll probably get thousands of results. Now add advanced filters, keywords, look for people, monitoring outbound, cold email, SDR team. In their profile, company growth filter for companies that are hiring, go to company headcount growth and select growing. Seniority, focus on director plus or VP plus, or if you are selling high ticket. So in my case, I have a smart lead and I am searching for haircare e-com brands. So you can see I play a lot with the keyword type of thing here. And in the SaaS navigator, you can save the list and just export the 500 list. You're going to upload this to HighReach. You can go to HighReach, sign up, create new workspace, connect your account. Now your campaigns are going on Heritage at the limit of connection request of 20. Heritage gave you the option to increase that to 40, but you start with 20, and then if you're seeing results, you might go to increase. So you might be go to 40, but just start with 20. The campaign automatically DMs people after they accept your connection request. Here's where your message matters. I will show you exact template in a second. For now, just now, Heritage will wait 1 to 2 days after they accept, then send your first DM. You also set follow-up messages. I recommend 1 to 2 follow-ups in 3 4 days. Once this is set up, it's run on autopilot. You just check your LinkedIn inbox once a day and make sure you're engaging on LinkedIn. So LinkedIn will now not just using automation and respond to the people who reply. That's it. The system is running. All right. This is the most important part. What do you actually say? Most people scroll this up. They send something like, hey, first name, I help B2B companies scale their outbound. Let's chat. Delete. That's a page. You're a stranger. That doesn't care. As the rule, lead with the value, not with the page. You need to give them something before you ask for anything. As the framework, we use message one, the value TM. You lead with a free resource that solves a specific pain point they have. Has a template. Hey, first name. I talk a lot of their role every day. I noticed most of them are struggling with specific problems. So I put together a free guide on how to solve that problem that might be useful. And then just share that link of the guide because it's on LinkedIn message, not email. So you can feel free to add any link and just give that resource. Notice, not page, no, let's book a call, just value. Now inside that free guide, you plug your product, you say has how we do this and has the tool that makes it easier, your product. So you're giving away the strategy for free, but you're selling the implementation. Message 2, if they doesn't reply, you can send this, hey, name, that you get a chance to check it. If they still doesn't respond, send a funny personalized meme. This is a pattern incorrect. It makes them laugh and they will respond. This is optional, but it's work. Alternative framework, the conversion opener. If you don't want to lead with a guide, you can use this. Hey, name, quick question. Are you guys handling outbound in-house or with an agency right now? For example, this is more direct. It start a conversion, not a pitch. Just a question. If they say in-house, you can say, got it, how's that going? Most teams we talk to, they are struggling with specific problem. Now you are in conversation, you can naturally transition to your offer, but well first approach usually works better. People appreciate when you keep first. Step 4, optimize your profile. Before you send DMs, you need to optimize your LinkedIn profile. Why? Because when people get your DM, the first thing they do is click on your profile. If your profile looks empty, they won't respond. Here's what you need. 1, professional profile. Picture, no selfie, no sunglasses, just a clear headshot. 2, headline, don't just put your job title, put your value proposition. Example like I help B2B SaaS companies replace STS with AI-powered outbound systems. 3, strong about section. This is your sales page. Keep it short to 3 paragraphs max. Explain who you help, what problems you solve, what results you drive, how to work with you. Feature section, add case study testimonials or lead magnets. This is social proof, and you can also add meeting book link. 5, activity post 3 to 5 times per week on LinkedIn. It doesn't have to be amazing. Just show that you exist. If your profile looks active and credible, your DMs will convert better. Alright, here's where it gets crazy. Once you got this working on one account, you can scale by adding more accounts. You can get your team's accounts for your teammate colleague accounts as well. Just add them on Heritage. You can buy the Heritage seats, which will cost you 75, 79 bucks per month per seat. So as many accounts you will connect, you can pay per seat. So LinkedIn Outbound is scalable once you crack it. Before we wrap up, let me show you 5 biggest mistakes people make with Outbound. Mistake 1, pitching too earlier doesn't pitch your first message. Lead with value, build trust fast. Mistake 2, sending too many requests. LinkedIn has a strict limit, send to 20 requests per day max, doesn't get ready and get your account banned. 3, generic messaging. Hey, let's connect or congress on your new role doesn't work. Be specific. Reference their company, their role, their pain point. Step 4, now follow up. Most people doesn't reply to the first message. You need 2 to 3 follow-ups, but make sure they are value drive, not just checking in. Step 5, bad profile. If your profile looks empty, your outbound won't work. Optimize it before you start. reaching out. Alright, so what you can expect if you run the system: month one, you're building your list, setting up page, sending the first 100 connections requests. You'll book 2 to 5 meetings if your messaging is good. Month two, you're booking more meetings, you're optimizing your scripts. Month three, you can now scale. You can add more accounts and you can scale that. And as best part, those all warm leads, they accept your connection, they read your DM, they respond, they're engaged. So your show up rate is way higher than cold email or bad ads. Your close rate is higher too. It's the most predictable outbound channel for B2B SaaS right now. Alright, that's it. The complete playbook for LinkedIn outbound in 2026. If you want my free LinkedIn outbound toolkit, the exact scripts, sales, negative filtering, and high-risk templates we use, DM me on LinkedIn. And if you want us to build and run this entire system for you, targeting, messaging, automation, everything, you can book the call from description. We will set it up, run it, and book meetings for you every month. Drop a comment if you're running LinkedIn outbound right now, what's working, what's not. I will help you out. See you in the next one.